Hey guys, how's it going? Got my collage here. Gonna spend a couple minutes going over it. Looking over everyone else's. I think we all kind of came to a similar conclusion. So I'm not really gonna beat on that too much about everyone's white, everyone's skinny, everyone has muscles. What I am gonna try and hit on is the differences that I noticed between the magazines. One of which is the portrayal of women in the men's magazines were a lot more like this one over here. A lot of women with barely any clothes on in their lingerie or in their swimsuits. Cleavage, no problem. And in the women's magazines, there actually wasn't a lot of that I found. Women were more dressed normally, and there was a lot more of just trying to get women to buy things. That's what I found. So there's a lot of products that were in the women's magazines. Um, Even this one right here is actually the same ad and article as this one up here. And if you look at it, you would maybe naturally think, oh, we want, women to look like this. We want their butts to look like this. Um, that's the the message that this was trying to get across, and that is true. But really, these were selling products too. It's there was like 4 or 5 products that they were selling, and it was basically, hey, women use these products, and that's all you need to do to have a butt that looks like this. So again, just selling things to women. And so when we get to the men's magazines, I didn't really see a lot of that. There were still, I mean, there was products. There was a lot of watches. I guess that's still a thing, is men wearing watches. Just one razor thing here, but it was really more of stuff like this, like you know, how to shrink your gut, build bigger arms, or a Spartacus workout. It wasn't really trying to get men to buy things. It was really men improving themselves or improving their physique. Um, of course, except for I think this was a cologne ad. Those ones seem to be the most just out there and ridiculous. Um, but mainly the men's magazines were really muscles. Get big muscles. Do what it takes to get big muscles. The Have a couple average looking guys right here, and this was kind of like, I think, before pictures. But I found this interesting because these are pretty, I guess, maybe average looking dudes. I don't really know. I could take a guess and say this guy and this guy and this guy over here are pretty attractive looking. And God forbid you have a attractive looking fat guy, right? That's just not going to work. Um, so, like I said before, those were the main differences that I noticed. And then, the general, like, I think everyone realized is everyone's skinny, everyone has some big muscles. Ridiculously, this, I don't know how much airbrushing this chick got, but I'm sure it took a while for her to look like that. So, yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching this, guys. Good luck with the rest of the class.